China is racing to install more ultra-fast electric vehicle charging piles to support its exploding EV market, which is the biggest in the world. A 100% liquid-cooled supercharging station began operating recently in Guangzhou. Its lightning-fast chargers deliver a stronger current faster, reducing a driver's wait time by at least half.
一般的快充桩这充的时候呢，大概要40到1个多小时才能充满。
It usually takes between 40 minutes to more than an hour to fully charge the battery with a normal quick charger. This time it only takes 10 minutes to charge it to 50%. So I don't have to be anxious about the range from now on.
Liquid cooling supercharging systems are emerging as a potential game changer in the industry because they help reduce a major hurdle, long charging times.
我们认为呢，2023年应该是咱们超充的这个元年。
We believe that 2023 was the first year of supercharging. Leading companies are in full swing to build charging piles. The first echelon has basically formed a scale advantage. The next 5 to 7 years will be a period of rapid development for supercharging, and even a period of explosive growth.
As of last November, official data shows China has installed about 2.6 million public charging piles. According to a report published last month from introspective market research, the market size of the global liquid-cooled charging station industry will top $1.8 million by 2030.